y'all. Here's an update on my micro links. Here's my hair on the top. I was gonna wash it, but I don't really think I have that much time to do it because I think it's gonna be a little bit meticulous, and I have a wax appointment at 1:30 to 11:18. I doubt I'm gonna be able to do everything I need to do in an hour and a half, but you can see my roots I have puffed up. It's been almost 2 weeks and my hair is not as curly as I thought. I did get rained on just a tad bit yesterday, but for the most part it's holding up pretty well. I'm gonna try to wash it at some point soon because I might wash it tonight actually, because tomorrow's Sunday and I don't want to go to church looking like this, and I don't want to put gel on my roots because I've been using castor oil on my edges to grow them, so I haven't been putting any type of edge control or anything on it, so I don't want to start now. I'm about to unbox a few perfume bottles that I recently purchased so I can make some reels, so I can make some money. I have 3 perfumes to unbox. I went to Victoria's Secret yesterday and bought 2 perfumes, and then I have one from Prada that I purchased last weekend that I still haven't opened. Not Prada, Maison Margiela bubble bath. So we're about to unbox some new fragrances, y'all, and then clean up the house a little bit. I really should go get a pedicure because I just broke my toenail. I hate when I do that. Like, I pick at my toes to the point where they break. I need to do my brows. My husband's birthday's in 3 days, so I'm just trying to get things organized. Actually, I should organize his gifts really quick now that he just left the house. Let me go ahead and organize them. Wait a minute, I'm missing a very important gift. Wait. Oh my gosh, it did not come yet. No. It says it was delivered October 5th. It's in my mailbox. Let's go get it. Not all the junk mail. It is so humid. Oh my gosh. I gotta get inside. Alright, so here is one of the gifts for my husband. I should probably make a reel. I should make a reel too. Always got to do more than one content thing at a time. That's just how we roll. How we roll. Should I open it or should I leave it sealed? I'm opening it. It's cute, but it's tiny. Here's my review. The quality of it, great. Sorry, y'all, cricket, but you can't do anything about it right now. Anyways, the quality of it is great. However, it's tiny as heck. This is not really, you cannot cover with this blanket. It's so tiny. Like, let me show y'all how tiny it is. It really will cover only like the top part of my body. It will not cover your whole body. So that's a con, but the quality of the pictures are very nice. They look just like what I submitted. I got this on Amazon. I will link it down below. Here's all the pictures. I put you and me in the middle. Some more pictures. It's just so small. Why is it so small? Did I just not order it big enough? But I mean, if it's a blanket, like, look, it can, I don't know, I feel like it's just so tiny. Like, if I was laying on here, it can only cover, like, it can cover the bottom or the top. It cannot cover both. Like, you're not covering your whole body with this at all. But I know he'll still appreciate it. It's just really tiny. Like, he loves blankets and this is half of a blanket. Don't know what else to do. I would order another one, and just have this one as well, but the other one's not gonna come in time. There's that. It's cute, yes, but it's just really tiny. But I know he'll appreciate it anyways, and I'll just order a bigger one next time. Like, this is good for a kid. We can save this for our child when we have a child. When we have our child soon. But the quality and the colors are really spot on. The reds are red. I don't know how you do this, like on a blanket. Let's see if I know all the stories of each of these pictures. This is on my 27th birthday at RH. This is at a wedding expo where DJ was on stage flipping and dipping. This is on our wedding day, December 22nd, 2022. This is when I got engaged, February 11th. Shoot. 2022. Yeah, we got married and engaged same year. I think it was the 11th. It was right, yep, February 11th, because it was right before Valentine's Day. And then it was our Valentine's Day shoot. Not really engagement shoot, because we did an engagement shoot. Our Valentine's Day shoot the next day after the proposal. This was when we went on a dinner date after I won. Or something. We did like, he did like a reels where he was like, do I want to go on a date or save the money for the wedding? Here is our engagement shoot at the Breakers, Palm Beach. Here is us Valentine's Day before we're going. This is when we went to a Valentine's Day soiree gala type thing that my friend Nessa was hosting. And this is us at an all-white wedding for DJ's niece. And then this is our Christmas 2021, the last Christmas we had before we were engaged and or married. And then it says you and me in the middle. So anyways, I know he'll still love it. It's very soft. The quality is good. I'll leave it linked down below. If you want to purchase it, I still recommend you purchase it. Just make sure you get the biggest measurement, because just make sure you get it bigger than that. At least 2 times bigger than that. But I still like it. Again, I know he'll like it. We'll save it for our firstborn child, our baby girl, coming soon. Anyways, let me show you guys all the rest of the stuff that I got him for his birthday, so I can start organizing it. And I also probably should go get all his gift bags and stuff too, because I'm gonna tell you guys now, because again, this vlog is gonna go up after his birthday, so he's not gonna see it. Anywho, yeah, so his birthday is in 3 days. His birthday's on Wednesday. Today's Saturday. He'll be turning 33 years old. This year I am doing the 5 Senses birthday gifts challenge. So I'm gonna go grab all his gifts so I can figure out which gift bags I need, and then we're gonna get started with the wrapping and everything later on in the vlog. And I gotta do it all kind of now because he's not home. Right now it's 11:40, so it's actually a perfect time because I have my appointment at 1:30, and it'll give me something to do. The perfumes I can open later on. Let me go grab all of his gifts. Some of them are completely wrapped and I'm not going to open them. I'm just going to show you guys and tell you guys about them as needed. Alright, so let's go through the gifts really quickly. Again, we're doing the 5 senses. That basically means you get a gift that represents each of the 5 senses. So touch, smell, sight, taste, and hearing. So I'm drawing a blank like I didn't just teach this to my class last one. Anywho, I'm not gonna go open everything. Some things are sealed and I'm gonna keep them that way, but whatever is open I'll show y'all. So this is something for the sound. It is a 3D night lamp that I got from Amazon. Everything that I bought that I can find a link for, I will link them down below for y'all. But whatever I can find, I'll link it down below. But this is basically an LED lamp. I think I showed this already. And basically you can put whatever, you customize it, put your own picture, put your own song. I put our wedding, one of our wedding pictures of us putting the rings on each other. And then this is our wedding song, I Do by Rotimi. And if you scan this, it'll play the song on your phone. I thought that was a very good touch because for our wedding, I let my husband pick the song. So this will be sentimental because I know that this is a song that he chose for us to get married to. And this is the song I walk down the aisle to. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing right here. It comes on a stand. You can pick a stand. I picked the wooden one. You can pick wood or acrylic, and this is acrylic thing, and you put it in here like this. And then it comes with a remote and a plug, and then basically it lights up however you so choose, but you gotta plug it in first in order for it to light up. There we go. So yeah, obviously I can't plug it in right now while showing you guys, but just know it lights up. So that is for sound. Shoe boxes for his closet, the same ones I got him for Valentine's Day earlier in the year. It's some more clear shoe boxes for him to put his shoes in because he needs some more. And he's starting a new sneaker collection and whatever. Speaking of sneakers, I got him some Dunks, some Nike Dunks, and yeah, low Dunk retro, and they look so nice. Can you guess which kind I got him? You guessed it, the black and white Panda Dunks. I know he's gonna really like these a lot, and I can't wait to see him rock them. So we got him some Dunks. Shout out to my plug, Chris. So that'll also be a part of the touch. And then for smell, we got 3 colognes. We've got Manhattan Nightcap. This smells so good. We've got Coffee and Whiskey. They had a sale going on at Bath and Body Works. I originally got him a Prada perfume, but that one Prada perfume was equivalent to 3 of these, and these smell way better than the one I had picked up at Sephora. So I got buy 2 get 1 free from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I'm gonna go get y'all some, especially for the holidays. I'm gonna go get some more for my brothers and stuff, and then save them for like Christmas. But y'all, they smell so good. This is leather and brandy. You know, just trying to up his collection, and they're big bottles. And yeah, I got 3 perfumes for the price of 1 regular designer perfume, and these smell better. I promise you. Like when I was shopping for these, when I went in the store, I was going for my sister's gift, and then I'm like, let me stop by the men's cologne while I had the one I had already bought from Sephora, the Prada one. And then I sprayed the Prada one on one hand. I sprayed these on a little paper. All 3 of these smell better than the Prada. The Prada one was about $130 something, $40. I got 3 perfumes for less than that because it was buy 2 get 1 free, and they're each $40. So I got 3 perfumes for $80. Beat that, Sephora. So that's for smell. Cologne, 3 colognes. For taste, I'm gonna get him a bottle of whiskey. Anyways, last but not least, I got him a few things at Coach. I'm not gonna open them because they are already nicely, when I say nicely, I mean nicely wrapped. I am not opening this at all to show y'all, so I apologize, but they did such a beautiful job, and I am in love. Only thing I can show y'all is this little sneak peek with his name engraved in that. I just love that. Y'all see that part later on in the vlog when I do a flashback. But yeah, I got a little Coach thing. I'm gonna be shopping at Coach a lot more often, y'all, because their customer service is top tier, plus their engraving is free. So anytime you go in there, you can get something engraved. The little tag was only $8, but to engrave it was free. So I am definitely gonna be going in there and shopping more for this holiday season for like my family, my friends, because first of all, I already love their stuff, but like that is just an additional touch that I really like. So yeah, that is everything we have to show y'all. Let me go ahead and get myself together because I'm not about to leave the house looking like this. I'll clean up when I get home later. I need 5 gift bags, 2 big, 3
you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job, but they do my do, then no go catch up. the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer. Answer. Bossa, do. Lego sing a salad when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts